Alright, let's see what we can make with just this. Let's do it. Alright, so now while this dries like this, we're going to now make the lid for this thing, and just gonna measure from this end to that end and make the lid. Alright. So it's not all the same shape, so still got quite a ridge over there. Gonna have to cut that. We'll sand it down, no stress, and let's see, make it a pretty skits box. Thank you everyone who has watched. This is how you make a small box, and it's nifty, simple, basic, and there's nothing too fancy about it, but I think it's like a perfect kind of gift. And thank you so much for watching. If you're staying tuned to this far, please like, comment and subscribe, and what you'd like to see next.